this is Mykey. In this interview we will be looking at the question that was asked with regards to imploding all the chakras into and through themselves to finally merge with and as the heart chakra, and what happens within that process. As I've explained, we have actually tested it out, but we tested it out within the previous design of how the soul construct and the chakra system in relation to the mind system and the unified consciousness field existed. It doesn't exist as it has before, meaning the soul construct design within the physical, meaning the actual manifestation thereof as a system, has been removed and does not exist, and so also with the chakra system. It does not exist as the physical manifested system thereof. However, as I explained, what they did is they created a manifested projection of its existence within human beings' minds in the mind dimensions, with connectors manifested to it. So it's like kind of a projected imprint of the actual physical design into an manifested illusionary design of existence within the mind. Therefore, beings will still have experiences of there being a soul or there being a chakra system, but there isn't in physical actuality. The only place where it still exists is within the mind dimensions, wherein the projection of its existence was designed to trap and enslave beings within. So, what we found when we played with this point was that what occurred is that yes, you could do it, meaning implode all the chakras into themselves, in through finally the heart chakra, wherein you'd manifested this ball of pure light energy. However, when it was done through the heart chakra, we were still connected into the actual physical human body, because the heart chakra was directly related to the unified consciousness field as the unconscious mind, so you were still trapped and manifested inside the physical body, so to speak. When you could only access the unconscious mind, the unified consciousness field, so you could kind of get information, read the system, so to speak. However, then I looked at the solar plexus chakra, because the solar plexus chakra was connected to the soul construct, and the soul construct wasn't connected to the physical human body, meaning wasn't connected to the unconscious mind of the mind consciousness system, was kind of separate. So I looked at if I implode all the chakras into the solar plexus chakra, then I would, from the solar plexus chakra, which was connected to the soul construct, which was connected with a thread to the mind consciousness system and the physical body, I could then leave the body, meaning be able to extract myself from the mind consciousness system. So I tested it out and it worked. So from the implosion of all the chakras into the solar plexus chakra, and then merging the solar plexus chakra with the soul construct, meaning make it one and equal. Basically, because what happens is you essentially implode yourself as the chakra system. So you move with and through all the chakras, kind of like imploding yourself into the solar plexus chakra, and then literally becoming this ball of light. And then as this ball of light, you transfer yourself into the soul, kind of merging, equaling on with the soul construct, and then you, as the soul, move out of the body. And that's how it operates, that's how it works. However, please hear me. actual traveling with regards to the soul, where you leave your body or astral project, understand that you're not actually really astral projecting into the actual physical reality or the actual dimensional existence. You're leaving your body, you're not actually really leaving your body and traveling through universes or existences at all. Actually what really happens, again, as I explained, these experiences of beings towards the chakra system, towards the soul, was designed within mind dimensions. So when beings experience them leaving their body, they're actually having that experience in their own mind. They're not physically actually really leaving their body. That whole entire experience is only happening within the mind. The same with astral projection. The being believe that they're astral projecting through dimensional planes or within existence. They're not actually, this is not actually really happening within the actual physical manifest existence. It is happening within the dimension, within the mind. How exactly does this manifest? The whole construct of leaving the body and astral projection, out-of-body experiences, that whole placement was a mind consciousness system design. Understand that the unconscious mind was a basic manifested duplicate of existence in its entirety, including the dimensions. So there was a basic copy of existence and the dimensions that was designed into the unconscious mind of the mind consciousness system of the human being. So that through that, that whole unconscious mind copy and duplicate of existence that was placed within the mind consciousness system was then connected to various mind dimensions within the mind consciousness system. So that, let's say, being astral project, they're actually astral projecting within the copy and duplicate that was designed and manifested within the mind consciousness system as the unconscious mind. Thus astral projecting in a duplicate, in a copy, in a simulation of existence or the dimensions. They were not actually really astral projecting into the actual manifested physical reality, the actual real dimensional existence. It was all dimensional mind constructs. Because the creators, designers of existence never wanted a human being to see the actual reality of the dimensions of Earth. Because if a human being were actually to leave their body within the previous design and find out what was going on, their whole enslavement, control, manifestation within existence would be threatened. And this was the last thing that they desired or wanted. Alright, within the next interview we'll continue a slight bit on what we discussed now, and also then touch on 0 point and what that actually really is. Thank you.